In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change right-click menu in Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, with Windows 11, Microsoft added a new context menu. So when you right-click, instead of seeing this one that was standard on all versions of Windows previously, you will see the new Windows 11 right-click menu, and then you have to press it an additional time to show this old one. However, there is a method that allows you to revert it back to the previous one. So as you can see, when I right click, it immediately pops up with this old one instead of the new one. To do this, you will have to access the registry editor. So on Windows, look for regedit. You can use the search function and look for regedit or the registry editor and open it up. Now once you are inside of regedit, you have to go all the way here to CLSID. So you will go from computer to HKey current user software classes CLSID. So this is how it would look like if you were to do it from the start. You would expand HKey current user, then you would expand software, then look for CLSID like this, expand it, and now what you have to do is create a new folder titled like this. I'm gonna try to remember to place this in the comment and the description of this video, but the folder needs to be titled all of these numbers and values here. So you right click on CLSID new, and then you create a new folder. Then under this particular one here, you will also create a new key, and you will name it InProcServer32. After this is done, restart your PC and the old right-click menu will be back. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, it will mean a lot to us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.